Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Windows PC or mobile device, the Xbox app installed, and your Microsoft account ready. Open the app and sign in. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication to secure access. Once signed in, make sure you grant microphone and network permissions so party chat and streaming work. You should also link your Xbox console under Settings if you plan to stream or remote play. This gets you past Setup and into the app's main interface quickly. You now move into Configuration and Discovery. From home, explore My Library to install or launch games, and use Game Pass to browse catalogs. In Settings, adjust streaming quality and controller preferences so input lag and visuals match your connection. Lower bitrate for slower networks. Connect cloud saves and link social accounts to see friends and parties. Once done, personalize notifications to avoid interruptions during gameplay. These steps make sure games, friends, and you're ready to play or stream. Launch a title from the app, pick Remote Play to stream from your console, or start Cloud Play if available and select your device. Invite friends to a party, start voice chat, and capture clips or screenshots while playing. If audio, lag, or connection problems occur, restart the app and device, verify NAT type and router ports, and update GPU drivers and console firmware. If that fails, sign out and back in to refresh your session before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.